This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier and is available through Wolseley Canada, but they have a limited dealer network. The furnaces are multi-position and can be easily adapted for any project, which allows the dealers to hold less inventory, which can reduce the cost to the consumer. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The BROPG95ESAA models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with constant torque blower motors and ECM technology, which is more durable and energy efficient than brands that use PSC motors. The BROPG96VTAA models are premium two-stage units with variable speed blowers, but the warranty on the brand is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.